Hey everyone, today I wanted to tell you about a few steps on what you want to do before you install your Avocor GroupShare for Office 365 license onto your Windows 10 PC. So the idea when you install this license, it's going to pre-populate those different icons, Office 365 related, plus some UC platforms, Zoom, Teams, and WebEx, as well as Microsoft Whiteboard. But before you install the license and apply those keys, you're going to want to install those applications first. So here's some quick guidance on what you want to do as far as installing those apps. To install your Office 365 apps, including Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, just go to office.com and log in with an account that it's able to download the launcher from Microsoft. You can see here in the top right corner, I'm clicking on Install Office, and after about 5 minutes or so, that should be finished downloading and installing. Next, you have your UC platforms. So with Zoom and WebEx, you can go to their respective websites and install the applications from there. Teams should be included in that bundle that you get through office.com. Microsoft Edge is another application that will pre-populate there on the screen. So you can install that as well. And lastly, you have Microsoft Whiteboard, which you can install from the Microsoft Store. Now that I've got everything installed, I'm going to pop in my license key. I've entered in my license key. It asked me some basic user information to provide. And now I'm ready to set up my room calendar. So we got a couple options here. I'm going with Exchange Calendar. Google Calendar is also available. I'm doing Exchange online. And now it's just going to ask me to enter in my user credentials for the room calendar. I'm going to add the calendar and give the room a name. Give it a PIN number for admin access into settings, and setup is complete. And you can see I've pre-populated my Office apps, WebEx, Zoom, Teams, Whiteboard, the things I need there. I have my calendar, and that's really it. That's the bulk of your setup there. Of course, that middle portion can be configured yourself. You can remove, add any applications that are on your Windows PC. So along with GroupShare, where you launch your favorite applications and have your room calendar, you're also going to have a download for Montage Receiver. This is your ability to wirelessly cast to the Avocor interactive display from a number of devices. So same concept here. We're going to activate the license. First, it's going to ask me a couple questions. I'm going to buzz through that real quick. And it's going to ask me for that same license key that I used for GroupShare. I'm going to pop that in. I've now got it installed. Again, this is the application you're going to use to wirelessly cast your iOS, Android, Windows devices by using that URL, the app, and entering that session ID. And now I've got GroupShare in the state that I want it, right? I've got my Office apps, my whiteboarding tool, my calendar, everything I need there to start off. So that's a nice head start for you to get going with Avocor GroupShare on your Avocor interactive display. Thanks for watching.